I've not talked to any individual. Excuse me.
You know, you're supposed to cough into your elbow. I don't know, sir. I learned that actually covering your White House.
Actually, that's true. But fortunately, I'm alone in my home. But that's okay.
All right.
I agree. You're right.
You should it's kind of old school to do it with your hand. Do it into your elbow. You're supposed to do it.
Thank you.
Let me.
You know, it's probably just not a good look if the Democratic nominee is unable to really even do some of the sort of basic stuff. Now, I know it's tough to fully adhere to all of the rules of, don't touch your face and all this other stuff. I know it's tough, but I just have to say it's probably not a good look for the Democratic nominee, the guy running against Donald Trump, to sort of not even be able to do some of the basic stuff. I mean, obviously, you're not supposed to cough into your hand. Like, what the hell? Especially during this Rona stuff. Why the hell would you do that? It's just crazy to me. But it's pretty wild to see that actually happen. I'm pretty surprised that Jake Tapper even said anything there. Definitely very surprising. But he says he's alone in his house, but I thought Joe Biden was with his wife in his house. So very weird stuff. Not really sure what's going on.